All right. You know, the whole notion of sponsorship is a real win-win for our conference. Your win is that it really helps us to lower the cost for registration. The great win for them is people that have wonderful products and services that churches need are able to take a few moments and tell you about what they have to offer. And so we want to go to a few of those sponsors again now. The first one is Parent Pager. Go ahead and roll their video if you would, please. What a great program to keep the kids entrusted to your care safe and secure.